it's not enough to know what is the problem, what is wrong. We also need to know what we can do about it. So the how piece is what you're going to get at next, I'm guessing.
In fact, you've actually stolen words from my mouth, Abhilasha. You're thinking exactly what I was about to say. Therefore, in conclusion, we could say very soundly, it's not what you relate to, but how you relate to it. It's not what you're relating, it's how you relate to it. So when you say how to relate to it, what is it that in you that is relating with the world?
Yeah.
When I deal with the world based on my emotions, my expectations, my anticipations, you will find the world may not all the time fit into your anticipations, your expectations, or what you want. But when I operate on my intellect, my buddhi, my reason, and take a stock of what the world is, then I have a clear assessment of what I'm dealing with.
Yeah.
So I keep a rational check on my expectations, my anticipations. I align myself to what the world is. So if I'm able to take a stock of what the world is, it's just like when it's raining, don't you carry an umbrella? When it's cold, don't you wear a jacket? You don't complain, why is it cold or why is it wet? You adapt. Exactly the same way, you must learn to deal with what the world throws, putting aside your expectations and anticipations. Take a stock of what it is and deal with it head on. And have that sportive spirit. You may win at times, you may lose at times, but it's not what you relate to, but how you relate to. It's not whom you play, but how you play the game. That's the real crux. That's the real essence of what Vedanta is teaching, is how you relate to the world. Right?
That's the real teaching.
That's the real teaching. Okay, great.
Thank you.